Hello, guys. Welcome to this week's quick update on where we're at. As you guys know, we give 24/7 support in the Telegram chat where we communicate all of the updates regularly. This live stream is just a sort of a quick update, a roundup of what we've been discussing in the Telegram group. So, with regards to the marketing update, as you guys know, we've successfully run a Twitter giveaway competition and yeah, I think the results were quite promising. We had, I think, what was the amount there? We had
Over 420 new followers, about 330 retweets and likes, and
yeah, this is all very important steps in growing our community and gaining exposure for our project. And yeah, on the 15th of July, we've scheduled a AMA with a big Telegram group of 10,000 members. Basically, there will be the members of that community will be asking us some questions on technical questions on the project, just for us to explain what are we doing, what are our plans, give some development updates, and yeah. So that's scheduled for the 15th of July, and I hope that everybody can join in and our communicate can ask questions as well on there. We will basically be discussing. It will be a technical focused discussion, mainly focused on the technical side of the project. And yeah, and as you know, we for all marketing updates and everything we discuss on Telegram, and we do our weekly updates on YouTube and Twitch. So we have a day after the AMA, we have the Call of Duty Warzone tournament, which is currently being promoted. We have sponsored ads running on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and we have crypto influencers promoting that as well. So yeah, that is hopefully going to give us some good exposure and sort of try and integrate the esports and gaming community with our community. We will have plan to have regular tournaments on multiple games with the payouts being in INCRYPT. Sort of just a added benefit to give us more exposure and integrate multiple different communities together. So yeah, that will be on the 16th of July. Thereafter, we will begin the next phase of our marketing plan. As you know, input is highly appreciated from the community, and any input or suggestions you have for the next phase of our marketing plan, please do drop us a message in the Telegram, and we will get on that. With regards to the cross-chain bridges, I think we will have more. We will go more in depth in the AMA with the Telegram groups. So I urge everybody to join in on that day. Um, I think yeah, we'll basically we can sort of let me just share my screen here. So we'll sort of discuss the benefit for us listing on eh, the AnySwap exchange and utilizing the cross bridges. We'll sort of explain how the architecture works in the AMA and how Encrypt can benefit from being listed on the platform. We've already started a small liquidity pool on the platform. We will be depositing about 2 ETH into to sort of secure the cross-chain BSC to ETH bridge and yeah, ensure we have ample liquidity for that day. Basically, when with us being listed on this exchange, it will allow for cross-chain transfers and allow people to basically buy a coin with any cryptocurrency. Not doesn't really have to be a listed liquidity pool on PancakeSwap. We can yeah, just sort of give us more exposure to like to other communities with of other coins. So I think it's a very good step, and yeah, it's important for us to like expand into other to get as much exposure from all sources as we can. And we are also busy with the development for the INCRYPT.x, the decentralized exchange. We'll probably the name we sort of have as a draft is the INCRYPT swap. Yeah, we will confirm that as the development continues. The DEX will be powered using 0x's BSC liquidity endpoint that will source liquidity from source and aggregate liquidity from multiple dexes. And yeah, I think the 0x API is very powerful, and it's a good good source to use when building a dex. A example of a dex using the 0x API is matchter.xyz, so you guys can check that out if you want a live example of that there. And yeah, with regards to the DAO development, we have posted in the Telegram chat some the developments on that there. We've basically been in experimenting stage right now, just with the smart contracts on the voting and implementing that there. We will completely redesign and customize the UI to match the aesthetic of all our other products. The INCRYPT.x will be, we've already secured a domain for that, so that will be on a separate domain to the main web page. The main web page will sort of just be a entry point, a informational entry point to, and will link to all other INCRYPT projects. And yeah, that's basically it with regards to the DAO. Yeah, DAO development is underway. Yeah, as you guys know, in the Telegram chat, we are dropping updates, all the updates there, and we've posted some videos, and you guys can check out our GitHub repository to keep up to date with the developments as it's going along. As I've said in the Telegram chat, we've basically been contacted by another project who is launching. They are interested in listing on our DEX. The DEX will automatically be able to list any BAC token that's trading on any other DEX, but they want to have an official listing with us where we include their logo and everything on our DEX. And they that sort of gave us the idea to build an Encrypt launchpad where users can stake Encrypt to earn another token that's going to be listed on our DEX. So it will give Encrypt users a chance to farm new tokens without having to buy the tokens and put the Encrypt to work. And yeah, with regards to the new coins that's launching, we will give more details once it becomes available. And from my understanding from the chat with the developer, the developer wants to create three liquidity pools on launch. He wants to have a completely fair launch with 100% of the supply being sent to PancakeSwap, and with 33% of the supply being made with the Encrypt trading pair. So that will allow Encrypt holders to purchase this new token at preferred rates and sort of give more trading volume and for the Encrypt the Encrypt trading pair. So I think that's a good step forward, and hopefully a sort of roadmap for other tokens to use to utilize our services. And we can sort of take that idea of creating an Encrypt launchpad and push it to the next level, and have more tokens and more projects launch via us, and we will give them a official text listing with a logo and branding on our decks. And as an additional revenue stream, we could implement some banners on the decks. Although I am currently I'm not too keen on you on putting ads on any of our sites and stuff. I want to keep it as ad free as possible. So that is something we could consider, but at the moment I'm not too keen on running any ads on any of our projects that we are planning to do. So our decks would sort of be a ad free space and just a pure trading experience. And yeah, that's it with for this week's quick update. As you know, Fridays is the start of the official buyback and burns. As we started that last week was the first buyback and burn, where 25% of the value of of the DeFi wallet will be used for buyback and burn, which will uh, simultaneously reduce the supply of Encrypt while adding BNB to the liquidity pool. So yeah, that will be on the way as soon as the live ends. And all questions and all updates, you guys can contact us on the Telegram chat, and we look forward to hearing and engaging with the community. So thank you guys for tuning in. As you know, this will be available offline for everybody who isn't able to tune in live. We just aim to give quick weekly updates on live stream. but we do give daily and regular updates on our Telegram channel, so be sure to stay tuned to
Check
that.
us out.
Yeah, that's about it from
And
my side.
every Wednesday, just catch us on our weekly voice chats on Telegram. We are regularly available to answer any questions to the community.
Cool. So we'll catch you guys on Telegram.
Thanks so much, guys.
Thank